Hello students, welcome to science class. I am Neha Gandhi, your science teacher. Today we will start chapter 5, coal and petroleum. In this chapter we will be learning about natural resources, fossil fuels and the conservation of natural resources. Then we will also study about what are fossil fuels and how fossil fuels they are used. So let's start the chapter. We use various materials for our basic needs. Some of them are found in nature and some have been made by human efforts. Now students, in our daily life we use air, we use water, right? Then we use soil, forest, trees. From where do we get these things? We get these things from nature. Okay, we get these things from nature, so that's why they are termed as the natural resources. This air, water, soil and minerals, these are obtained from nature. They are called natural resources. And some resources, they are man-made, like plastics. It is invented by human beings. Okay, then some artificial fibers, rayon, polyester, all these things we get, they are man-made resources which we use in our daily life. So can air, water, soil be exhausted by the human activities? If we will not use them in a proper manner, the one day will come when all these natural resources, they will come to an end. So in the light of availability of various resources in nature, natural resources, they are broadly classified into two kinds. Okay, natural resources are classified into two kinds. First is inexhaustible natural resource and second is exhaustible natural resource. Okay, so let us study what these natural resources. First, inexhaustible natural resource. Students, the word exhaust means end. Okay, so here inexhaustible means the natural resource which can never end. Okay, resources which can never end, they are termed as inexhaustible natural resources, or in other words we can say that these resources, they are present in unlimited quantity in nature and are not likely to be exhausted by the human activities. Examples, sunlight and air. Sunlight and air, they are inexhaustible natural resources, and other word of inexhaustible natural resources is renewable resources. What is called? Renewable resources. Okay, so we can say that renewable resources are those natural resources that are present in unlimited quantity in nature. They can renew themselves if they are used sustainably. So these resources are not likely to be exhausted or depleted by human activities, as they are present in unlimited quantity. So they are called inexhaustible natural resources. And for example of these natural resources is sunlight, air, then we can say water. Water is also inexhaustible natural resource, but we should not waste water. Okay, so second is beta exhaustible natural resource. Exhaust means end. So the resources which can end by the human activities, they are called exhaustible natural resource. Okay, and the other word of exhaustible natural resource, we can also call it non-renewable resources. Okay, so how can we define it? Non-renewable resources are those natural resources that are limited in nature. Okay, these resources, these exhaustible natural resources, amount of these resources in nature is limited. They are present in limited quantity in nature, and beta once they are exhausted, they takes too much time to regenerate. Okay, for example, this coal and petroleum, beta, this coal and petroleum, it takes millions of years to form. Okay, So once they can get exhausted by the human activities since they are limited, so they are called exhaustible natural resources. And example of exhaustible natural resources is coal, petroleum, natural gas, forest, wildlife, minerals. Okay, now I hope you all have understood. Thank you.